headlines. National Highway 2 Band over land encroachment by Army begins. And India conducts first night trial of Agni 2 missile. Good afternoon, you're watching the news at 1. I'm Mandira and now the news in detail. Sekmai Protection Committee and Awang Sekmai Advanced Women's Society have begun an indefinite band along Imphal-Dimapur Road protesting against alleged land encroachment by the army in Sekmai area of Imphal West. Vehicles were off the National Highway 2 and shops and market remained shut in the area due to the strike which began at 6 a.m. The two local organizations are opposing encroachment into any part of Awang Sekmai by the Indian Army. The organizations have pledged to intensify agitation in case the Manipur government fails to take up a positive step to sort out the issue at the earliest. India successfully conducted the first night trial of nuclear-capable intermediate-range ballistic missile Agni 2 from the Abdul Kalam Island off the Orissa coast yesterday. The Strategic Forces Command of the Indian Army test-fired the versatile surface-to-surface medium-range nuclear-capable missile from launching Complex 4 of the Integrated Test Range last evening, defense sources said. Developed by the Defense Research and Development Organization, the missile has already been inducted into the armed forces. The 20-meter-long two-stage ballistic missile has a strike range of 2,000 km. It has a launch weight of 17 tons and can carry a payload of 1,000 kg, the sources said. As a part of the 66th All India Cooperative Week Celebration 2019, a program on the theme Strengthening Cooperation Among Cooperatives was held today at the conference hall of the Manipur State Cooperative Bank Limited, Old Assembly Road, Imphal. The event was jointly organized by Manipur State Cooperative Union, Registrar of Cooperative Societies Manipur, Manipur State Cooperative Bank Limited, Imphal Urban Cooperative Bank Limited and Manipur Women's Cooperative Bank Limited. Registrar of Cooperative Societies Manipur Robert Shetri Mayum, IAS President of Manipur State Cooperative Union L. Tompishak Singh, Director of ICM, Imphal Dr. N. Ranjana Devi and Chairperson Board of Directors Manipur Women's Cooperative Bank Limited, L. Punyabati Devi attended the event as main guest. As a part of the security measures taken up by police in Imphal City, Imphal West Police conducted a cordon and search operation in Kashampat area this morning. Houses in the area were searched and residents were verified. Now we have a short commercial break, but coming up next. 43 Assam Rifles felicitates retired rifleman Sarkidhan Thapa on his 103rd birthday.
Nanai Day Spa and Salon. Special offer to welcome winter of 2019. 30% discount Pijari. November Gitang Taratagi. Kun Faub Khaktamak Pizaba discount ne. Pizariba services singde haircut, facial, hair spa, foot detox, micro needling treatment for face, body spa and scrub, far infrared sauna for detoxification asinaching mani. Extra charges yaudana yumda laktuna service su Pijari. Ayuk pung taradagi numidang wairang pung taruk phauba hangjari. Ngasi maglengsin biro Nanai Day Spa and Salon. New Chekon Road, SBI ATM Building near Globis. Contact number 0385 244 7383 natraga 244 7385.
Khanghanjaba ngasi tang taraga manga tha taramathoi lisingani taraga mapan ing irai numit asida nungsijaraba leibak miyam amadi salai gi shareholder stakeholder singi mafamda salai holdings private limited ki maikei dagi wafam kharadang nolukna ningsingjari kanagumbi singna social media da lana pau sandokpiduna salai bu miyam da amadi shareholder stakeholder singda lana uhankiba yaba mau amata tobidana ba nolukna ningsingjari hojik sathariba investigation asi hek loibaga salai gi unit sing karamba matamda hangani haiba miyam punamakta media gi khuthangda soidana khanghanjagani matam adu fawbadang khwai punamakna pungning phathabiduna salai gi unit sing hanagong function tawbangai minasi haina khwai punamaki mafamda nolukjari khanghanjari ba salai holdings private limited.
Special discount to welcome the winter of 2019. 10% discount on labor charge, 5% discount on spare parts for Hyundai cars only. Benefits on purchase of 4 Michelin tires. Free alignment, free balancing, free nitrogen, free removing and refitting. 3 years warranty on all tires. For more details, please visit SM Motors, Airport Road, near Comprehensive Concept School, 795001. Contact number 9366 508 258.
Welcome back. 43 Assam Rifles Battalion More today felicitated retired rifleman Sarkidan Thapa of 4 Assam Rifles on his 103rd birthday at IB 43 Assam Rifles Complex, More. Commandant of 43 Assam Rifles, More, Sumit Sood, Major Akshay, Major Parvesh Kumar along with several ex-servicemen attended the event. Commandant Sumit Sood honored Sarkidan Thapa by presenting him a simple gift at the function. Sarkidan Thapa was also given a veteran award in honor of his excellent service, receiving medals of Burma Star and the Burma Silver Star in 1930 to 1945. 3 Naga unsung heroes were awarded by Governor of Maharashtra Bhagat Singh Koshari during the first Northeast Unsung Heroes Red Carpet Social Award 2019 held in Mumbai on November 15. Around 23 unsung heroes of 8 states of Northeast India who were recognized for their silent contribution to the society during the event hosted by Fine Studio and Seal Mumbai. The award recipient from Nagaland are Toi Sworo from Fake, who is said to have repaired footwear for poor school children for free. Rose Longchar from Dimapur, a film actress to feature in a Bollywood movie and have acted also in Nagamis, Nepali and Hindi movies. And Manau Dilhau Maurice Uso from Nerhama village in Kohima, a Taekwondo black belt 4-degree holder. The award is an initiative of Rebecca Chankija Sema with co-organizers including Zutika Mahanta, Shiraz Henry, Pavi R. Sakhya, Sujata Pradhan, Ashibo Chisisu and Ankita Tiwari. According to media reports, UFO has given 70 threads pan-India to promote this event, while Mumbai Dabawala has also supported this noble cause to encourage the youth from Northeast India. Church of God at Kualapati in Meghalaya capital Shillong was destroyed in an inferno in the wee hours of Sunday. According to media reports, 2 persons having a house close to the devastated church died allegedly due to suffocation. People staying near the church started noticing flames coming out of the church at around 4 a.m. this morning, but police anticipated that the fire must have broken out before that. The Delhi police has registered an FIR against JNU students for vandalizing Vivekananda statue and the Vice-Chancellor's office during the protest over hostel fee hike, media reports said. The FIR has been filed in connection with the defacement of public property at Jawaharlal Nehru University. On Saturday, Chairperson of Swami Vivekananda Statue Committee, Buddha Singh, on Saturday lodged a complaint against unknown miscreants for vandalizing yet to be unveiled statue of Swami Vivekananda. According to sources, till now 7 students have been identified in the matter. However, their names have not been disclosed yet. According to the complaint, objectionable messages were also found on the pedestal statue at the campus on Thursday. Unfazed by the relentless pressure to reconsider the ban imposed on the e-cigarettes and ENDS or electronic nicotine delivery systems, the government is now preparing to bring up the bill in the upcoming winter session of Parliament. Prohibition of electronic cigarettes production, import, export, sale, distribution, storage and advertisement bill 2019 prepared by the Ministry of Health and Family Welfare will replace the ordinance that was promulgated in September and is expected to be tabled in the winter session of Parliament that begins tomorrow. Pakistan on Friday became the first country in the world to introduce a new typhoid vaccine in an effort to combat a drug-resistant strain of the potentially fatal disease in the Sindh province, according to a report. Pakistani health officials have reported an ongoing outbreak of an extensively drug-resistant typhoid fever that began in the country in November 2016. The strain of Salmonella typhi bacteria, which has become a so-called superbug, has so far infected around 11,000 people in the country, with Sindh province the worst hit. According to experts, death rates among those infected by the superbug could rise dramatically to as much as 20%. Time for another short break. Stay tuned.
Enterprises ta miyam gidamak laizare makhal makha kyagi sound lights teas amadi ten house ki polam sing makhal khuding makki light amadi luhong khongdong bagi polam sing gidamak 10% discount pijari. Ako pamarol gidamak contact tobiu SS Enterprises Kiamgai Khoirom Laikai near Youth Social Club. Contact number 8837218002.
Yang what?
Soktabana loidi.
Wabdo koknaba rebalance.
Soktabadu koknaba rebalance. Rebalance na haksang salt amadi electrolytes singi awatpa mekhatuna adongi haksang bu tagat tikna thambang amali. Rebalance habadi electrolytes amadi energy.
Iramdam da fangba polam singna iramdam asimakta da sajaba kangla gi polam sing fangbiragani luhong panthana lakpada miyam gi damak leizare leima kabo loinana luhong bagi yakhanaba discount su izari akupa marol gi damak contact obu 8131877217 natraga 9612056941
Kangla kabok chabiyu yamna hawbani
kangla leima kabo.
Welcome back. The Sri Lanka Porujana Peramuna SLPP or People's Party today claimed victory in the presidential election pending final results after party candidate Gotabaya Rajapaksa was seen to be leading in most districts in the country, bearing the largely Tamil-speaking north and east. According to a media report, the Election Commission is yet to declare the official results for all 22 electoral districts in the island, but hopeful Rajapaksa, who needs to secure over 50% of the total votes pooled to be declared winner, was clearly ahead of his principal rival Sajid Premadasa in most Sinhala majority districts this morning. After about 10 million votes were counted, a voter turnout of about 80% was recorded in yesterday's presidential poll, in which nearly 16 million voters were eligible to cast their ballot. The United States and South Korea today said that they were postponing a joint military air exercise that North Korea has criticized as provocative. According to media reports, U.S. Defense Secretary Mark Esper and his South Korean counterpart made the announcement in Bangkok, where they were attending an Asia Defense Ministers Conference. Seoul and Washington had scaled back the exercise recently and changed the name, but North Korea strongly objected, calling it evidence of a lack of interest in improving relations. Now we have the sports news. MPSCA lifted the trophy of the first state-level Open Men's Six-a-Side Hockey Tournament 2019 organized by Thoubal Hockey Association, Thoubal District at Thoubal Mela Ground Unity Park yesterday. MPSCA defeated MPSCB by 4-1 in the final match. 9 teams took part in the tournament, which started on October 11 last. Later, Thoubal Hockey Association and Cosmo Wankai distributed cash prizes and trophy to the winners. A Manipur belt wrestling team left Imphal today to participate in the 8th NTWFI National Traditional Wrestling and Pancreation Championship 2010 to be held from October 21st to 24th at LB Indoor Stadium, Hyderabad, Telangana. The team was flagged off by social worker K. Hemchandra. The 35-member team includes President of All Manipur Traditional Belt Wrestling Association T.H. Norendro, Team Coach and Vice President T.H. Udoy Chand, and Assistant Coach and TOMTV Correspondent Dr. H. Roman. Manipuri boxer L. Sarita Devi has been elected unopposed to the International Boxing Association's first ever athletes commission to represent the Asian bloc. As per media reports, Sarita was in the running as sole candidate from the region. The commission features one male and a female boxer from each of the 5 regional confederations, namely Asia, Oceania, Europe, Americas and Europe. The 37-year-old is currently an athlete representative in the Executive Committee of the Boxing Federation of India. Thousands of runners and citizens enthusiastically took part in the Navy Marathon, which was conducted by Eastern Naval Commander at Beach Road in Visakhapatnam this morning. Women, children, youngsters and senior citizens thronged the beach road to make part in the marathon from the early hours. Runners from many cities including Hyderabad, Kochi and Vijayawada joined the mega event. As per a report, the marathon is conducted in 4 categories: full marathon 42 km, half marathon 21 km, 10 km run and 5 km run. City traffic police have imposed restrictions along the beach stretch from NTR statue and RK beach to Chepalupada and Bhimili on the 30 km long marine drive. Australia fast bowler James Pattinson was suspended today for player abuse, ruling him out of the first test against Pakistan this week. The paceman was found guilty of breaching Cricket Australia's code of conduct during Victoria's Sheffield Shield game against Queensland last week. It was not clear what he said, but the governing body characterized it as personal abuse of a player while fielding. Given it was his third breach in the past 18 months, the incident triggered a 1-match suspension. Pattinson's ban opens the door to Mitchell Starc to play in the test at Brisbane starting on Thursday. Now we have the local newspaper headlines.
The Sangay Express. Kokomi says no to Sangay Fest amid the restive situation. Naga peace deal may be tabled in Parliament as bill. Congress team lobbies for integrity with Sonia Sitaram. Congress launches hunger strike. Governor Ravi running show in Nagaland, not Rio, says NPF. More OC remanded in drug case. The People's Chronicle. More OC among 4 cops held for aiding drug dealer. Parliament session to take up CAB, 34 others. MPCC begins relay hunger strike over threat to state. Ojoy ridicules Chief Minister's insistence that people of Manipur should trust central leaders. Kokomi calls MP Ranjan insensitive to public pulse. Imphal Free Press. Media is a social engineering tool, says IPR Minister. State journalists fated on National Press Day. State Congress team calls on CPIM leaders in Delhi. MPCC members begin relay hunger strike on talks issue. Kokomi sticks to its gun of boycotting Sangay Fest. The Morning Bell. 4 cops including OC of Best Police Station suspended on drug smuggling case. Congress delegation meets Sonia Gandhi, Sitaram Yechuri. Kokomi reaffirmed its boycott stance on upcoming Sangay Festival. Condemns MP Ranjan's statement. Accident claims lives of 3. Husband in critical condition. Students from Manipur on National Integration Meet President.
Now the top news headlines once again. National Highway 2 Bandh over land encroachment by Army begins. And India conducts first night trial of Agni-2 missile. This is all for now. Keep watching Times of Manipur.